Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our new kit club to launch with you for February 2018. Every month I'm going to be doing a kit for a project that is only available as part of the kit, and we're starting off with February and the gorgeous Fairy Dust collection. So the project of the month is an accordion album designed to fit the 8x8 paper pad. So we've got the gorgeous signature sheet on here, all layered up with a little bit of sparkle. I don't know if you can see, but there are just hints of glitter and wink of Stella and a few gems on the front just to complement the paper. And then inside, as you can see, it's an accordion album, so opens out and there are 6 pockets. Each one has got a pull-out photo book. Let's pull them all out. Move that out of the way. There's a tag that goes in each pocket as well, so if you like to journal about the pictures that you're putting in your albums, then there's a place to do that. And then each little book has got a photo mat inside it, but also space to add more pictures in if you wanted to, and a little matchbook and pocket on the inside cover. And the little matchbook, again, you can just pop photos, memorabilia, tickets, whatever you want to keep into the book. So a great little project. You could make it for any occasion. Makes a lovely little gift as well of an event. Each of the little books has got one of the pictures from the cut apart sheet on the front and the matchbook inside. This blue one. I love the border prints. As you know, I'm a complete Graphic 45 addict, so making this was just dreamy. I love this little matchbook picture. The greens. The papers coordinate together all the way through and just make a beautiful little project. So they all go in the album with the tags. So that is the kit. I'll put the link to the kit below the video. Kits are shipped on the 2nd Thursday of each month, and a new kit will come out on the 1st of each month here on my YouTube channel and on the blog. For more information on the kit, what's included, shipping dates, everything else that you need to know, just follow the link below in the description. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.